2022 ubusabe yabutanze nyuma y'uko Trump atsinze amatora y'umukuru w'igihugu muri Amerika atsinze Kamala Harris yo mu ishyaka ry'abarepublikani. Zelensky yibukije Trump ikiganiro ngo bagiranye ubwo bahuraga mu igorofa rya Trump Tower New York muri Nzeri y'umwaka. N'isezerano ngo yamuhaye atinya kubahwa. Ndibuka inama ikomeye cyane nagiranye na Perezida Trump muri Nzeri ubwo twaganiraga ku bufatanye bwa Ukraine na Amerika. Twaraganiriye gahunda yo kugera ku nsinzi n'uburyo bwo guhagarika ubushotoranyi bw'Uburusiya kuri Kuri ndabikwibutsa. Mbere no muri iki gihe cyo kwiyamamaza Trump yakunze kunenga politiki y'ubutegetsi bwa Biden yo gukomeza guha intwaro Ukraine kugira ngo ihangane n'Uburusiya. Trump yateguje ko nasubira ku butegetsi azahagarika intambara akayishyiraho akadomo.
Ijambo rihambaye, ijambo rikomeye tutanakwegereyeho ni ukurwanya intambara n'ibindi bintu byose byugarije isi. Amatwi y'ikiganiro byose urabyumvemo. Niba turakanda subscribe mu mwanya
uburengerazuba bw'isi ntacyo barimo gukora ku ngabo za Korea ya ruguru zaje ku rugamba. Yavuze ko izi ngamba urugamba ingabo za mbere za Korea ya ruguru.
But it's a political victory that our country has never seen before, nothing like this. I want to thank the American people for the extraordinary honor of being elected your 47th president and your 45th president. And every citizen, I will fight for you, for your family, and your future. Every single day, I will be fighting for you with every breath in my body. I will not rest until we have delivered the strong, safe, and prosperous American that we deserve and that you deserve. This will truly be the golden age of America. That's what we have to do.
Ukraine ikavuga ko abasirikare ba Korea ya ruguru ngo bagiranwa ko bahagera ku bintu bari mu karere ka Kursk n'ako mu Burusi kandi ni agace kegera
And in addition to having won the battleground states of North Carolina, I love these places. Georgia, Pennsylvania, and Wisconsin. We are now winning in Michigan, Arizona, Nevada, and Alaska, which would result in us carrying at least 315 electoral votes. But it's much easier doing what the networks did or whoever called it, because there was no other path. There was no other path to victory. We also have won the popular vote. That was great. Very proud of that.
Uburusiya na Korea ya ruguru ntibavugagura ntacyo barasubiza mu buryo butaziguye kuri ibi ngibi bavugwa.
Thank you very much.
Andriy Kovalenko utegetse muri Kuri ushinzwe kurwanya amakuru atari ukuri no kuyobya ku nshuro ya mbere kuwa mbere yatangaje ko ku rubuga rwa Telegram imitwe ya mbere ya gisirikare abanyakorea y'uburu yamaze kuraswaho muri Kursk. Mu kiganiro cy'itangazamakuru KBS cyo muri Korea y'Epfo, Minisitiri w'Ingabo
I hope that you're going to be looking back someday and say that was one of the truly important moments of my life when I voted for this group of people beyond the president. This group of great people. America has given us an unprecedented and powerful mandate. We have taken back control of the Senate. Wow, that's good. And the Senate races in Montana, Nevada, Texas, Ohio, Michigan, Wisconsin, the great Commonwealth of Pennsylvania, were all won by the MAGA movement. They helped so much.
bambaye
And in
imyenda
those
iranga abasirikare
cases, every
b'abarusiya
one of
barimo
them, we
gukora
worked with
imyitozo
the senators.
njyarugamba
They were tough
ndetse
races.
barimo
And
koherezwa
I
mu
mean,
mitwe
the
itandukanye mu
number
ngabo
of victories
z'abarusiya
in the
ku mirongo
Senate
y'imbere
was
ku rugamba
absolutely incredible.
yavuze ko
We
bishoboka
did
ko imitwe itanu y'ingabo
rallies with
ngo
each
buri
one of
mutwe
them. And
waba ugizwe
sometimes
n'abasirikare
we
bagera
did
ku
2 or
bihumbi
3
bitatu uzoherezwa ku rugamba
and it was amazing to look at
ntiyavuze
all of
niba hari
those
abapfuye
victories.
cyangwa se
Nobody
abakomeretse
expected that.
mu
Nobody.
ijambo ryo
So I
mu
just
buryo bwa
wanted to thank
videwo
you very much for
avuga
that.
ko
And we have
buri
You have
munsi
some great senators and some great new senators, and it also looks like we'll be keeping control of the House of Representatives.
gukora ikintu icyo ari cyo cyose kugira ngo izo ntambwe abasirikare abarusiya berekejeho
And I want to thank Mike Johnson. I think he's doing a terrific job. Terrific job. I want to also thank my beautiful wife, Melania, First Lady. Who has the #1 best-selling book in the country. Can you believe that?
buri ntambara muri kara karere itsindwe kuri bo uburusiya ndetse na korea ya ruguru
Oh, no, she's done a great job. Works very hard.
amakuru y'icyemezo
Works
nk'icyo
very hard
cya
to
korea ya
help
ruguru
people.
yatumye korea
So I
y'epfo
just want
ishya
to thank
ubwoba
her, but I want to thank
maze
my
byongera
whole family,
ubushyamirane hagati y'impande
my
zombi
amazing
mu
children,
mpera
and they are
z'ukwezi gushize
amazing
korea
children.
y'epfo
And
yatuje
we all
ambasaderi
think our
w'uburusiya muri icyo
children.
gihugu
Everybody here thinks their children are amazing, but that's a good thing when you think they are. But Don, Eric, Ivanka, Tiffany,
yayitumije yivuga ngo
Barron,
turashaka ivanwa
Laura,
ry'aka
Jared,
kanya ry'ingabo za
Kimberly,
korea ya ruguru
Michael,
muri
thank you
ukraine
all. What a help.
yanaburiye ko korea y'epfo
What a great. My father-in-law Victor is
irimo ngo
tremendous,
kwiga ku guha
and
intwaro
we miss
ikirere
very
mu buryo
much
butaziguye
Melania's
uburusiya
mother,
ntacyo buvuga
Amalia.
ntimuzibahe
We miss
mwumve
Amalia.
ntambara uko
She will be
bizagenda
very happy
mu
right
mpera
now
z'ukwezi
standing on
gushize
this
korea
stage.
y'epfo
She'd be so
yatumiye niko
proud.
yabigenje abasesenguzi bamwe bavuga ko korea ya ruguru
Beautiful
ishobora
inside and
kwishyurwa
out.
cyangwa se
She was a
igahabwa
great woman.
ngo kubona
I wanna be,
ikoranabuhanga rya
the first to
gisirikare
congratulate
ikarihabwa n'abarusiya
Our great, now I can say, Vice President-elect of the United States, J.D. Vance.
ngo ni nk'ingurane kuba abasirikare bayo baragiye kurwana kuri uyu wa gatatu abadepite b'uburusiya nanone ngo batoye bemeza amasezerano ya gisirikare na korea ya ruguru
And his
mu mushinga wayo
absolutely
amasezerano
remarkable and
watanzwe bwa
beautiful
mbere mu
wife,
ruzinduko
Ushavez.
na perezida w'uburusiya vladimir putin
And he is a feisty guy,
korea ya
isn't
ruguru
he?
mu kwezi kwa gatandatu uyu
You know,
mwaka
I've said,
muri ayo
go into the
masezerano
enemy camp.
harimo ko uburusiya
You
na
know, the
korea ya
enemy
ruguru
camp is
ari agati
certain networks.
k'intubirane ngo
A
bafatanya
lot of people don't like
byaba
to
bibaye
say, do I
ngombwa
have to do
haba
that?
habaye
He just
ubushotoranyi
goes,
ku gihugu
okay.
icyo ari cyo cyose
Which one?
muri ibyo bihugu
CNN,
byose ngo
MSDNC.
bazafatanya
He'll say,
amerika isanzwe
all
nayo
right,
igira
thank you very
ubufatanye
much.
n'ibindi
He
bihugu
actually
byo mu
looks
burengerazuba
like, he's like
bw'isi
the only guy I've ever seen. He really looks forward to it, and then he just goes and absolutely obliterates them.
hagati aho perezida wa ukraine volodymyr zelensky asabye donald trump
Say a
gufasha
couple of
igihugu
words.
cyabo guhagarika intambara n'uburusiya bwayishyizeho muri gashyantare bibiri na makumyabiri na kabiri ubusabe yabutanze nyuma y'uko Trump atsinze amatora y'umukuru w'igihugu muri Amerika atsinze Kamala Harris mu ishyaka ry'abarepublikani. Zelensky yibukije Trump ikiganiro ngo bagiranye ubwo bahuraga mu igorofa rya Trump Tower i New York muri Nzeri uyu mwaka. Ni isezerano ngo yamuhaye atinya kubahwa. Yibuka inama ikomeye cyane nagiranye na Perezida Trump muri Nzeri ubwo twaganiraga ku bufatanye bwa Ukraine na Amerika.
We're never going to stop fighting for you, for your dreams, for the future of your children, and after the greatest political comeback in American history, we're going to lead the greatest economic comeback in American history under Donald Trump's leadership.
Trump yateguje ko nasubira ku butegetsi azahihagarika iyi ntambara akayishyiraho akadomo.
Turned out to be a good choice. I took a little heat at the beginning, but he was, I knew the brain was a good one, about as good as it gets. And we love the family, and we're going to have a great 4 years, and we're going to turn our country around, make it something very special. It lost that little thing called special. We have to make it so. We're going to make this so great. It's the greatest country and potentially the greatest country in the world by far. And right now, we're going to just work very hard to get all of that back.
Yes, natangiye Donald Trump ashimira buri muntu wese wagize uruhare mu gutorwa kwe nk'uko mubibona rero we ari guserebura ku ntsinzi yo kuyobora Amerika. Urumva abantu barishimye cyane rwose ni ibintu bidasanzwe.
But we have to let them come back in, but they have to come in legally. They have to come in legally. Let me also express my tremendous appreciation.
Kayabwira abantu ngo yishimiye kugaruka kuyobora Amerika.
Susie, come Susie, come.
Urumva
Come here Susie. Chris.
ni ijambo rya mbere ageze ku bantu agiye kuyobora cyane abamufashije cyane ngo Dr. Jack ngo naze asuhuza abantu ngo vayo usuhuza abantu. Sasa hano Perezida Donald Trump agenda ashimira buri muntu wese wagize uruhare mu bintu yakoze. Dore ngo umuntu mbere asimye vayo usuhuza abantu we n'umugabo wawe.
And he's a hell of a candidate. And he's going to be a hell of a great 47th president. And
this
team, the best team, and of course, even my boss, Susie Wiles, the best.
Ni ibirori byiza cyane bikaze cyane. Perezida Donald Trump yari umuntu twifuzaga twebwe kugira yatuyobore kugeza n'ubu. Ni amahirwe tugize kuba Imana yongeye kumuduhereza kugira ngo yongere atuyobore.
Everybody up here is very special. But the Trump, who did you say? Oh, let me tell you, we have a new star. A star is born, Elon. Now he's an amazing guy. We were sitting together tonight. You know, he spent 2 weeks in Philadelphia and different parts of Pennsylvania campaigning. You know, he sent the rocket up 2 weeks ago. And I saw that rocket, and I saw it coming down. I saw it. It was, when it left, it was beautiful, shiny white. When it came down, it looked so pretty. It was going 10,000 miles an hour. It was burning like hell. I said, what happened to your paint job? He said, we've never had a paint that could withstand it. And it came down and turned around. And it was, you know, it's like 22 stories tall, by the way. It looks a little smaller than that, but it's big. And it came down, and you saw that fire burning, and I'm saying only Elon can do this. It must be an Elon. And I tell the story.
Ibintu biryoshye cyane ni ibirori bidasanzwe kwa Trump nk'uko mubibona hano kuri ekara rwose umuntu utahageze nawe.
And that very important guy, one of the most important people, and
bahombye twe turi muri Amerika turi kubikurikirana live.
And now it looks like I was going to be maybe president again, so I figured I could ask him to hold. So I asked him to hold, and especially because you're going to be president again, they hold. So I took the phone down, and I'm looking at the screen. I'm seeing this crazy thing that's going around and coming down. It looks like it's going to crash into the gantry. And I said, oh no. And I said, do me a favor, do you mind holding?
Kumbati mu byumweru bibiri bishize nahuye n'imbogamizi nyinshi cyane. Hari hafi yo kuba yanapfa ariko Imana yakinze akaboko. Imana yakinze akaboko ntabwo ari ku bwanje. Nshimira buri umwe wese
and it came down so gently, and then it wrapped those arms around it, and it held it, and just like you hold your baby at night, your little baby.
Donald Trump ashimira buri umwe wese wagize umunani mu gutorwa.
Was that you? He said, yes, it was.
Vuga ati ntabwo nzi ko mfite abanzi bageze aho banyica ariko Imana.
China do it? No. Can the United States do it?
Ntabwo wakwica Imana izi ko igiye gushinga kuyobora abantu bangana gutya bagaciro cyane cyane abanyamerika.
Hurricane Helene, and it hit North Carolina. They were really devastated. The water. This was a big water, as big as we've ever seen. Water hurricane.
Nabonye ko mfite imbaraga urya munsi umuntu ashaka.
And the danger was unbelievable. And the people from North Carolina came to me and they said, would it be possible, at all possible, for you to speak to Elon Musk? We need Starlink. I said, what's Starlink? It's a form of communication. So I called Elon, and I'll tell you what, he had, and it was very dangerous. People would die. They had no communication. All the wires were down. I called Elon Musk. I said, Elon, you have something called Starlink. Is that right? Yes, I do. What the hell is it? He said, it's a communication system that's very good. I said, Elon, they need it really, really badly in North Carolina. Can you get it? He had that there so fast. It was incredible. So, and it was great. It saved a lot of lives. He saved a lot of lives.
February bashatse kunshintege ariko naragerageje narwana kugira ngo nsinde.
Geniuses, we don't have that many of them. We have to protect our super geniuses. I want to thank some of the guys. You know, we have up here today the U.S.
ubwo ari ibintu byoroshye ariko naragerageje ngewe n'Imana yanjye.
Just a little bit. Bryson DeChambeau is up here someplace.
Mu by'amahirwe byakunze Imana ntihabwe icyubahiro.
Where is he? Bryson.
Ni ibintu byari.
He was shot. He's hitting balls. Oh, he's on the way. He's hitting balls. Bryson. Oh, look at it.
Ariko Imana yabikoze. Mwebwe icyo mbasaba nuko nje namwe tugiye kugira Amerika nshasha. Kandi nibutsa perezida wa
Great US Open, Bryson. That's a fantastic job. And we also have a man, Dana White, who has done some job.
Zelensky we nabutinde k'intambara ye yose iminota mikeya igiye kubirangiye uko nayibasezeranyije. Ni ibintu byoroshye uko nabivuze ntabwo
They came to me, do you mind if I use your... Nobody wanted to give them a rinse because they said it's a rough sport, a little rough. And I helped them out a little bit, and I went, and they said, this is the roughest sport I've ever seen, but I began to like it, and he loved it, and nobody's done a better job in sports. And you know, he's a very motivational kind of a guy, what he does. He gets these fighters, and they really go at it. And it's become one of the most successful sports enterprises anywhere at any time. It's doing so well. I'd like to ask Dana just to say a couple of words, because people love to hear from him. Dana, please.
Nobody deserves this more than him, and nobody deserves this more than his family does. This is what happens when the machine comes after you. What you've seen over the last several years, this is what it looks like. Couldn't stop him. He keeps going forward. He doesn't quit. He's the most resilient, hard-working man I've ever met in my life. His family are incredible people. This is karma, ladies and gentlemen. He deserves this. They deserve it as a family. I want to thank some people real quick. I want to thank the Nelt boys, Aiden Ross.
Ari ibintu byewe ubwanjye bingoye kuko ntabwo nirarira ibyo mvuga ndetse mbabwire ko mba.
And thank you, America. Thank you. Have a good night.
Kunda, I love them. Ndabakunda cyane.
That is a piece of work. No, he's really an amazing guy. But most of all, I want to thank the millions of hardworking Americans across the nation who have always been the heart and soul of this really great movement. We've been through so much together, and today you showed up in record numbers to deliver a victory like probably like no other. This was something special, and we're gonna pay you back. We're gonna do the best job. We're gonna turn it around. It's got to be turned around. It's got to be turned around fast, and we're gonna turn it around. We're gonna do it in every way, with so many ways, but we're gonna do it in every way. This will forever be remembered as the day the American people regained control of their country. So I just want to say that on behalf of this great group of people, these are hard-working people. These are fantastic people, and we can add a few names like Robert F. Kennedy Jr. He came in.
Helen ndagukunda cyane kuko nawe nta kutagize ngo umwaneho mu byo nagize. Ntabwo intsinzi nyikesha mwese nta kintu navuga gikaze cyane.
And now he's a great guy, and he really means it. He wants to do some things, and
Sibyo
we're going to let him go
kubashima
too. I just said, but Bobby, leave the oil to me. We have more liquid gold, oil and gas. We have more liquid gold than any country in the world, more than Saudi Arabia. We have more than Russia. Bobby, stay away from the liquid gold. Other than
ashimira nangwa
that,
se
go have a
avuga ati
good
imiryango
time, Bobby.
zapfuriye mu
We're going to be
kwiyamamaza
paying down
kwanjye
debt. We're going to be
tubari
reducing
inyuma
taxes. We can do
ntamuzatubirana.
things that nobody else can
Muri
do. Nobody else
communication
is going to
yanyu
be
yari
able to do
nziza
it.
cyane,
China doesn't have what we have.
ntacyo
Nobody has what we
ntawashimira muri
have.
abantu beza cyane.
But we have the greatest people also. Maybe that's the most important thing. This campaign has been so
mumfate nkaho
historic
ndi
in so many
umunyerakamaro,
ways.
ntabwo ari
We've
umuntu waje kuba
built the biggest,
tera
the
stress.
broadest, the most unified coalition. They've never seen anything like it in all of American history. They've never seen it.
muhumure rwose ndi kumwe namwe, nimugire ikibazo ngewe icyo mbasezeranyije ni uko ngewe Trump buri kimwe cyose navuze nzagikora, ntabwo nababishe ubu ngewe buri kimwe cyose navuze.
Nobody's ever seen anything like that. They came from all corners, union, non-union, African American, Hispanic American, Asian American, Arab American, Muslim American. We had everybody, and it was beautiful. It was
aha urabona ni ibirori bidasanzwe, ni ibirori bidasanzwe
uniting
cyane
citizens of
rwose,
all backgrounds around
ibirori
a
bidasanzwe kwa
common
John.
core of common sense. You know, we're the party of common sense. We want to have borders. We want to have security. We want to have things be good, safe. We want great education. We want a strong and powerful
abo ni abashaga
military, and ideally we don't have to
bishimira
use it. You know, we have
ibyagezweho,
no wars. 4
ari
years. We had
guserebura
no
tubibutsa ko
wars.
ari ijambo rya mbere Donald Trump yavugiye muri
We defeated ISIS in
abaserebura
record
bati ni
time.
wowe ni wowe ni
But
wowe
we
ni
had no
wowe ni wowe
wars.
ni
They
wowe.
said, he will start a war. I'm not going to start a war. I'm going to stop wars. But this is also a massive victory for democracy and for freedom. Together, we're going to unlock America's glorious destiny, and we're going to achieve the most incredible future for our people. Yesterday, as I stood at my last stop on the campaign trail, I'll never be doing a rally again. Can you believe it? I think we've done
komeza ashimira buri umwe
900
wese
rallies
agiye
approximately.
gukora buri kimwe cyose kugira ngo bigerweho.
901 something, a lot of rallies.
Abanyamerika bavuga bati uyu niwe muyobozi twe twiteze, niwe muyobozi twe dushaka, naho abandi rwose nta ibyo batubwiye byose ntabyo usibye kumunga igihugu.
Well, we can really help our country. That's what we're going to do.
Bibuza ko ari ijambo rya mbere Donald Trump dore ngaho
Ever has been.
ati imbaraga zose
Many people have told
abantu
me
bavuga ngo
that
courage.
God spared my life for a reason.
Bibutsa ko utari mwabi ibirori rwose uracikanwe cyane.
And that reason was to save our
Ibyo
country
ni ibyegera bya
and to
Trump
restore
byafashe ijambo.
America to greatness. And now we are going to fulfill that mission together. We're going to fulfill that mission.
mwamwumvishe ijambo
The
ridasanzwe
task
agejeje ku
before us
bakunzi
will
ba
not be easy, but I
ba
will
Donald
bring
Trump.
every ounce of energy, spirit, and fight that I have in my soul to the job that you've
Nyarwanda bo turavuga ngo hahiye bahatwitse cyane
There's
rwose,
no job like
hatwitse
this.
cyane,
This is
hatwitse cyane.
the most
Thank
important
you
job in
America,
the
thank you
world.
n'aba organization.
Just
Bako
as
urakoze America,
I did my
urakoze
first
n'uwa
term, I had a great
organize
first
ibyo
term,
bintu, cyane
but
cyane
that great
gushimira
first term,
Trump.
I will
Kumva ko
govern by a simple
ni ibirori
motto.
muri USA
Promises made, promises
kanasanzwe
kept. We're going to
rwose.
keep our promises. Nothing will stop me from keeping my word to you, the people. We will
Ibirori
make
bitanasanzwe
America
rwose.
safe, strong, prosperous, powerful, and free again. And I'm asking every citizen all across our land to join me in this.
Tubibutsa ko
noble
niba
and
utarakanda
righteous
subscribe ari umwanya wo kugira
endeavor.
ukande subscribe, like,
It's
share
time
and
to
comment.
put the divisions of the past 4 years
Tuzabishura,
behind
turaje
us.
ngo
It's time to
dufatanye kandi
unite.
turabakunda.
And we're going to try, we have to try, and it's going to happen. Success will bring us together. I've seen that.
Imana ibahe umugisha.
I saw that in the first term when we became
Murakoze
more and more
namwe.
successful. People started coming together. Success is going to bring us together, and we are going to start by all putting America first. We have to put our country first for at least a period of time. We have to fix it. Because together we can truly make America great again for all Americans. So I want to just tell you what a great honor this is. I want to thank you. I will not let you down. America's future will be bigger, better, bolder, richer, safer, and stronger than it has ever been before. God bless you, and God bless America. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much.